Recording in progress.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Hope you can all hear me very well. You're welcome to this meeting today. This meeting it's actually a continuation of the meeting last week. We held the meeting last week and decided to do a repeat of that meeting. And the meeting the topic was key takeaways on the current events in crypto markets, Today I decided to add crypto basics. I want to talk briefly about basics and everything you have to do or know about cryptocurrency. So first of all, I want to ask the first question. What is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, from the word, you hear crypto. Crypto has to do with hidden. You know, those days when we hear encrypt, we're talking about secret messages and all that. So cryptocurrency is coined from the word encrypt, encryption, which has to do with currency where they are protected by special programs, computer programs, and it's very secure online transaction. So a cryptocurrency is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but used online ledger with a strong cryptography to secure online transactions. So anything cryptocurrency is not physical. Now, physical money is also known as fiat currency. That's paper money that we use every day. The naira, the dollar, the pound sterling, the rand, the yen, and all other currencies, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, and all that. Then also, fiat currency is known for regulation. Most fiat currency are controlled by a central bank of that country. But cryptocurrency is unregulated. It's unregulated. It's not controlled by any particular country or government. You understand? Just like a set of people come together and maybe they're selling a product and then they decide to just create a digital currency that you can use to purchase their product. So that is what cryptocurrency is. Now, cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Sorry for that break in transmission. Sorry, I had to address something. Okay. Can you all hear me, please?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay, now cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. That means if you want to buy maybe a certain amount of your coin, that particular exchange will record it. So as millions of people are buying that particular currency, the computer records it per time, per second, per millisecond. This is known as the blockchain. And the blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. Now, the appeal of a blockchain is its technology and its security. Now, our second topic is how many current currencies are there and what are they worth? Now we have more than 10,000 different cryptocurrencies traded publicly. More than 10,000 cryptocurrencies traded publicly. That means the cryptocurrency market is a wide, in fact, it's crazy large market. Because we want to count how many fiat currencies we have. I don't think we have up to 500 fiat currencies, but cryptocurrency has exploded the market, the finance market, and now we have over 10,000 counting. I'm sure we have about 1 million cryptocurrencies, but just 10,000 of these currencies are traded publicly, according to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is an app that we use to that gives us information about all the listed coins, crypto coins that we have in the market. It's a research website. Now, these cryptocurrencies, they raise their money through initial coin offering, known as ICOs, initial coin offering. That means if somebody wants to set up a coin, maybe a company, a country, or whatever, they want to set up a cryptocurrency, they have an initial coin offering known as ICO. And as at May 27th, the value of all cryptocurrency was more than $1.7 trillion. That, compared to what we had in April, April had just $2.2 trillion. This is to tell you how large the market is. And then the main topic we are dealing today, which Mr. Peter is going to take us on, is on the takeaways from events. There's an event that happened. As at April 2021, we had $2.2 trillion worth of all the cryptocurrencies. And then there was a sharp drop to almost 50% of that amount, which is $1.7 trillion. So Mr. Peter is going to tell us why that happened, what caused that kind of event to happen. So this is to tell you how the heavy value of cryptocurrency today. The next question, best cryptocurrencies in the market today. So the top 10 cryptocurrencies, what are the best cryptocurrencies today? What are the top 10 cryptocurrencies today? We have, let me mention the top 10. We have Bitcoin. Bitcoin stands at a market capitalization of $735 billion. We have Ethereum, which is second place, stands as 324 billion. We have Tether, which stands at 61 billion. We have Binance Coin, which stands at $7.5 billion. We have Cardano, Binance Coin, which stands at $57.5 billion. We have Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a coin that came in at far less than $1. It was about $0.002, $1. And now Dogecoin is about 50 cents now. And now its market capitalization is 44 billion. I think it stands at number 7 on the list. Then we have Polkadot, we have USD coin and internet computer. This is as of May 2020. Now the third thing I'm going to talk about is why are cryptocurrencies so popular? There are so many reasons why they are so popular. There are so many reasons why they are so popular. The first reason is that people see cryptocurrency as the future of money. In the future, money may not be fiat, money may not be paper form, and money may be decentralized. So people see digital money as the future of money. So everybody is rushing to get a little of what they can get so that they can grow their money. And then the second appeal of cryptocurrency is that it's not going to be controlled by any central bank. There's no regulation of your money. For instance, you want to do foreign exchange, you don't need to pass through your bank, fill Form A, do this and do that. You just go to your exchange. Somebody needs Bitcoin, you give the person Bitcoin, you transfer Bitcoin and all that. So it's easier, it's simpler, it's cheaper, far, far cheaper. You understand? And then it's decentralized and it's more secure than traditional payment systems. And then the last appeal, I know there may be more, is that the rate at which they appreciate, the rate at which they appreciate, the speed at which they appreciate. For instance, Bitcoin was the last 5 years, Bitcoin was less than $1, but now Bitcoin is over $30,000 as it stands. And then the fourth question we're going to ask is, are cryptocurrencies a good investment? So at this point, I want to say that what I'm saying here is not a financial advice. I'm not giving you a financial advice. I'm only giving you my own perception of the market, my own research, and my own idea of what cryptocurrency is and what we may expect. So whatever decision you want to make should not be based on what I gave you. You can just add this to your research and your knowledge and take your individual and independent uh, decision in whatever you want to do concerning cryptocurrency or forex market. So cryptocurrency, on my own idea, cryptocurrency is a good investment. A good investment. It's appreciates fast. If you buy early, the coin when is very really really cheap. You could be lucky and you could appreciate. So we've had coins appreciating 10,000%, 10,000%. Imagine having investing with $100 multiplied by $10, $10,000, 10,000%. That's about $1 million. So that is why I believe it's a very very good investment. And then the fifth question: how do I buy cryptocurrency? That brings us to Binance. Binance is the major, to me, Binance is the number one exchange, cryptocurrency exchange. That is how you exchange your money. That is how you buy, have access to listed, major listed cryptocurrencies. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy. If you want to exchange your Bitcoin to Ethereum or to any other coin, or vice versa, or you even want to buy fiat, you can do that through Binance. I maybe later, based on people, if people come in, more people join the meeting, we can show them how to use Binance, how to open their Binance account, what and what is involved. And then also, for now in Nigeria, we cannot convert cryptocurrency to fiat. We cannot convert cryptocurrency to naira because of our CBN regulation. Cryptocurrency has not been banned in Nigeria; it has only been restricted, and we cannot convert to local currencies. That covered the sixth question, which says, are cryptocurrencies legal? Of course, cryptocurrency is legal in America and most countries, but recently, China had to regulate that for reasons that I think Mr. Peter may explain later. And India outrightly banned cryptocurrency. But Nigeria did not ban, they only restricted exchanges from our local currency to cryptocurrency. Then the last question I'm going to talk about is, how do I protect myself? How do I protect myself? That means if you want to buy a coin, how am I sure that that coin is going to grow? How am I sure that that coin is not a scam and all of that? How do we do that? We have to go and verify what is the coin all about, what is the fine print in the company's prospectus, who owns the company. It has to be an identifiable and well-known owner. It has to be that. Are there other major investors who are investing in this coin? Is it a good sign if other well-known investors want a piece of this currency? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so for instance, like Dogecoin.
I can hear you too.
Okay, thank you. Please. Like Dogecoin was promoted by Elon Musk. That was why the reason for Dogecoin going to that extent, growing that fast. So sometimes when we have big investors, then that coin might have a good potential of becoming a big coin. Then he said, will you own the third point in knowing whether to buy the right coin or not is, will you own a stake in the currency in the company or just a currency or token? That means owning a stake means that you participate in the earnings, or are you just buying the tokens? So imagine if you own a stake, you are more secure in that coin. You understand? And then also the final one is the currency already developed, or is a company looking to raise money to develop it? So it's less risky according to what the company is doing with this currency. But in all of this, beyond all these concerns, uh, it's it's not a guarantee that that coin will grow. So it's always advisable to invest an amount that you know that you will not feel bad or you will not be emotionally attached to. And then also, how do you protect yourself from theft? And being in the right exchange is important. Being in the right exchange. There's some exchanges you join, and before you know what's happening, you get hacked and the money gets lost. So you have to try and be in a known exchange like Binance. I'm sure Binance, I can vouch for Binance, but you can't vouch for any other exchange. Then also, how do you protect yourself with respect to investments, crypto investments? Well, crypto investment is a very risky venture. When I say crypto investment, I'm talking about, we'll say, uh, bring $1,000, get $10,000 in 3 weeks. It's very, very risky. It's not guaranteed. I do not advise anybody to do that unless you have money to throw away. You can try and see whether you make some